quality.
That's right, quality. This is becoming a real pain. Again, thank you YouTube for taking away the editing feature, so I can't put the beginning thing and I gotta make a mess out of everything. I mean, as if the quality wasn't bad enough. Another tool review. I have another Evolution product, Rage 3. The sliding miter saw, compound miter saw. There it is, right there. And we're gonna have a look at it. I started to do an unboxing, and I started assembling it backwards and upside down and everything else. And I can't put it all together because I can't graph videos together. Anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and just keep going. I've got it all set up now. One thing when you're assembling this deal is make sure you this is left-hand thread, so left-hand thread there. It's a pretty neat unit. I've never used a I have a compound miter saw, but not a sliding one. So this saw will actually cut real wide pieces, and with a special blade you can also cut floor tile with it, which is pretty nice. Too bad all my tile work is done. Otherwise that'd get me a blade. I guess that blade would work dry, right? Because I used a wet saw before, but I guess you do it dry with this one. I don't know. Pretty nice. So yeah, let's check it out. I cut a couple pieces already, just goofing around with it. One thing that's kind of odd is the way it starts. It sort of starts slow. I don't understand what's up with that. But when the motor starts, it kind of starts slow. Watch this. When you pull the trigger, there's kind of a delay. I'm not sure why that is. Maybe it's, I don't know. But slices through that 2x8 like butter. So it would do, yeah, you could do a 2x10. I haven't played with it a whole lot, so I'm not quite sure of its full capabilities, but went together pretty nice. So you could cut a full 12-inch board on that pup. I mean, you could cut a beam with it. That's pretty nice. So it looks like maybe you could cut a 12 by 4 beam with it. That's pretty cool. I like this clamp. I like that clamp that holds the piece down. Because sometimes if you got something long, it's kind of hard to hold it stable. So that works pretty good. And the other feature I like is the, where is it? The laser. It's got a laser guide. I don't know if you can see it or not. I decided to do this video when the sun's setting. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's a laser guide. That's very helpful there. Heck yeah. I like that. It's got the dust collection bag. It comes with a little fitting you hook to your vacuum cleaner too, which is pretty cool. And it's got these little outriggers here to help support the whatever you're cutting. I like it. I can't wait to use it on a project. It's probably going to be a woodworking project. I don't know. It seems like the cool thing about their saws is their blades cut everything. So it's cool that you don't have to like keep switching saws and blades and stuff. Because a lot of times it's like, well, I got to have a saw to cut the metal. I got to have a saw to cut the wood. Because sometimes you're like building stuff and it's just like, I just need a piece of wood, and then next thing you know, I just need a piece of metal. So you're not breaking out all kinds of saws. You got one saw that does it all, which is really neat. So I like that feature. So yeah, there it is. The Evolution Rage 3. Multi-purpose. TCT. What is that? Sliding miter saw. TCT. Total Control Technology? I don't know. P-nice. So there you go. Get out there and get yourself a Rage saw.